Hello student, very pleasant morning to you all. So I hope you all are fine. In last class what we have discussed? We have discussed stoichiometric of reaction and solution. And there are the four types we have discussed: mass percent, mole fraction, molarity, and the last type is molality. So we have discussed. So in our first unit, some basic of chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry. So in this lesson we will discuss some important problems. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing problems only. So this is a balanced chemical equations. 2 to 4 and 4 and for oxygen 2. Okay, now this equation is balanced now. So here for 20 ml of oxygen and 30 ml of hydrogen is required for this reaction. So here the limiting reagent is hydrogen. Limiting reagent is hydrogen only. So the volume of hydrogen is formed 30 ml. Okay, volume of water formed 30 ml. Correct. So oxygen utilized 50 ml only. Fifteen milliliter. So here left over the oxygen, that is 20 ml. Correct. 20 ml. So oxygen வந்து utilize ஆயிருக்கிறது 50 ml தானே. So இந்த 20 ml இருந்து 15 ml நம்ம subtract பண்றோம். So what we get answer 5 ml only. Okay. So at the end of the reaction 30 ml of water is formed and 5 ml of oxygen is left. So the answer is at the end of the reaction 30 ml of water is formed and நம்ம question என்ன, what is left at the end of the reaction, that is 5 ml of oxygen is left. So this is only first question. So here our second question. The empirical formula of your compound is CH2O and it is molecular weight is 90. So calculate the molecular formula of the compound. Okay, this is the question. So what they have given here, empirical formula of the compound, that is CH2. CH2O na formaldehyde and molecular weight இங்க கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So what they are asked here, that is molecular formula of this compound. Okay, CH2 ஓட molecular formula தான் இங்க questionல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Let us derive. First molecular formula எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம், அதுக்கு ஒரு equations இருக்கு, formula இருக்கு. molecular formula is equal to n multiply empirical formula. So this is only formula of molecular formula, am I right? So here n is equal to integers. Okay, so empirical formula என்ன, CH2. CH2 na formaldehyde. CH2O, which means formaldehyde. okay. So இப்போ என்ன, weight of the empirical formula is equal to atomic weight of carbon and atomic weight of hydrogen, that is 2 hydrogen, and atomic weight of oxygen. Okay, this is the formula. Atomic short எழுதிருக்கீங்க, atomic weight of carbon multiply, so இங்க வந்து 2 hydrogen இருக்கு, so 2 multiply atomic weight of hydrogen plus, sorry இங்க plus வரும், atomic weight of oxygen. Okay, so atomic weight of carbon க்கு என்ன, that is 12 plus, so atomic weight of hydrogen க்கு 1, so இங்க 2 hydrogen இருக்கு, so 2 multiply 1 and plus atomic weight of oxygen, that is 16. So the molecular, so 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 16 30. Okay, so molecular weight of the compound is 90. Okay, so next molecular mass of the compound, that is n multiply empirical mass. This is empirical mass, I have written short. So molecular mass enna, that is 90. N enna, that is we don't know, n multiply, so empirical mass, that is 30. So 90 divided by 30 is equal to n, so if we divide, the answer is n is equal to 3. So molecular formula is equal to, we have to substitute this n value here, so n 3 multiply empirical formula, that is CH2O, CH2O. So the answer is 3 carbon, which means 3 multiply to C3, 3 2s are 6, H6 and O3. So this is the molecular formula of formaldehyde. Okay, so idoda name glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde. So here our third question, calculate the mass percent of the different element present in sodium sulfate. So இங்க ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் மாஸ் பர்சன்டேஜ் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ சொல்யூஷன் பார்ப்போம். ஸோ மோலார் மாஸ் ஆஃப் sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate na molecular formula la Na2SO4. That is Na2SO4 molecular formula. So the molar mass of sodium sulfate is that is 2 sodium irukku, so molar mass sodium molar mass 23, okay, plus sulfur odadu 32 plus oxygen 4 oxygen irukku, so 4 multiply 16. So oxygen order 16 molar mass. So I have put here 16. So நம்ம multiply பண்ணி addition பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு answer 142 gram we get. This is the molar mass of sodium sulfate. So molar mass of sodium sulfate is 142 gram. Okay, so what they are asked here, mass percentage of different element present in sodium sulfate. So different element கேட்டிருக்காங்க, என்னன்னா sodium இருக்கு, sulfur இருக்கு and oxygen இருக்கு. So here mass percent of an element, there will be a formula, that is mass of that element. That element means sodium and sulfur and oxygen. That element in compound I have written short COMBOUND spelling, divided by molar mass of that compound, multiply 100% ல. So first வந்து நம்ம sodium பார்ப்போம். So mass percent of sodium. Okay, so mass of that element, which one, that is sodium 23 இருக்கு molar mass. So 23 multiply 2, that is 46. So overall the எல்லா compound ஓட molar mass, that is 142 multiply 100. Okay, so when we divide we get answer 32.39%, which means sodium mass percent. Next sulfur ஓடது mass percent of sulfur. So sulfur ஓடது here, that is 32 molar mass. 32 divided by 142 multiply 100. The answer is 22.54% for sulfur oda mass percent. Next one is mass percent of oxygen. So oxygen here 64 multiply 4, it is 16 multiply 4, 64. So divided by 142 multiply 100. So the mass percentage of oxygen is 45.07%. Okay, will you able to understand? So now fourth questions we will discuss, that is 0.1097 gram sample of AS2O3 require 26.10 ml of KMnO4 solution. For its titrations, the molarity of the potassium, which means KMnO4 solution, is what? We will discuss now. Solution enna, so the compound name of AS2O3 is arsenic trioxide. And the KMnO4, which means potassium dichromate. So here we will see the solution. So the equation is arsenic trioxide react with and it gives So first we have to do the equation should be balanced. So here first we will see arsenic. Arsenic is AS2 here. Or arsenic there. So to balance I put 2 here. So manganese also same only. So for this factor we have to see. So for this product the factor is N factor is 4, and for this N factor is 5. Okay, so let the molarity of the KMnO4 solution, which means potassium dichromate solution, that is equation of arsenic trioxide is equal to equation of potassium dichromate solution. Okay, so arsenic got the 0.1097 is divided by 198 multiply 4 is equal to equation of potassium dichromate is 26.10 multiply what we have to find potassium dichromate molarity, we have to molarity of potassium dichromate, so multiply. So how many liter that is for 5 evlo factor irukku 5 factor, so here 5, and for this arsenic equal to 4 factor, so that is why I put here 4, so 1000. So the equivalent weight of the arsenic idudha how this 198 came, that is equivalent weight of arsenic trioxide, that is 198 divided by 4. Okay, so the molarity of the KMnO4 solution is when we divide we get answer 0.017 m. So when we round off the answer is 0.018. molarity symbol is capital M, molality 1 small m. Our fifth question is 100 ml of a gas is produced at STP. STP means standard temperature at pressure. So by the action of 0.412 gram of ROH alcohol with CH3 Mgl molecule of the solution is what? This is the question. Okay, so according to our Avogadro's laws, do you remember Avogadro's laws? So according to Avogadro law, so Avogadro law, what it's saying? So Avogadro proposed that is equal volume of all the gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. Okay, so this is only Avogadro's laws. So according to our Avogadro laws, at STP, which means standard temperature at pressure, 1 mole of the gas occupies 22.4 liter. Okay, so that is 1 mole is equal to 22.4 4 real, and number of moles can be given as number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass, which means 0.412 multiply x means molar mass only, okay, so is equal to 102 multiply 10 to the power of minus 3 liter, okay. So it can be further rearranged and is solved as 102 into multiply 10 to the power of minus 3 liter is equal to 0.412 multiply and 1 mole, that is 22.4 liter upon x. So x is the molar mass, so here molar mass only we have to find out. So x is equal to 0.412 multiply 1 mole, that is 22.4 liter upon this 100 and multiply 10 to the power of minus 3 liter, okay. So the answer is 82.4 gram. This is the molar mass of alcohol. So molar mass is 82.4 gram. So here our sixth question, that is calculate the molarity, okay. So here they asked molarity of the solutions of ethanol in water, in which mole fraction of the solution is 0.040, and what they have given, assume the density of the water is to be 1. So water oda density enna kuduthirukanga na 1 ennu kuduthitaanga. So first what we have to find out, we have to find out moles of the ethanol and water, okay. So the solution is moles of ethanol, okay. That is 0.04 mole. So moles of water, that is 1.004, okay. So which means 0.96 mole. So next, mass of ethanol and water we have to find out. That is 0.04 multiply 46, okay. The ethanol odadu. So the answer is 1.84 gram, and mass of water, so 0.96 is the moles of the water, multiply 18, so the answer is 17.33 gram, okay. So we have to find out the mass of the solution. What ethanol odadum water oda solution, mass of the solution we have to find out. So mass of solution, that is we have to add this ethanol 1.84 gram plus water oda 17.3 gram, so the answer is 19.1 gram. This is the mass of the solution, okay. So what they have given here, assume that the density of the water is to be 1. So let the density of the solution is 1 gram per ml, okay. So which means 19.1 per 1, okay. So in scientific notation, 19.1 milliliterல இருக்கு. இது லிட்டரை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும்னா the answer is 0.0191 liter. Okay, milliliterல இருந்து லிட்டருக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. So the molarity is 0.04. This is for both. This is ethanol moles and the mass of the solution, that is 0.0191 in liter. The answer is 2.1 molarity. Okay, so molarity of the solution of the ethanol in water, that is 2.1 molarity.